Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I'm along here shopping. Thought I would show you something. Never mind the Sir Pizza. We're interested in Randy's restaurant. It's 4:36. It's a Monday. How's business? I think the last time I showed you something is when they were getting close to finishing the preparation of the restaurant. So what does the parking lot look like at 4:36, store 37? Yeah, they're doing all right. This is the retired crowd. I'm guessing. Ain't got nothing better to do. No, we're not going over to DQ. Dairy Queen. It used to be known as Dairy Queen. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not recommending anything. Lexington style barbecue. I haven't been in yet. And as you can see, they've got a pickup window. Very good. You notice they had a lot of smokestacks on the roof. I guess that's employee parking back there maybe, or maybe that's actually part of the Zoo City Drug Pharmacy. Now I'm going to take it easy in case somebody steps out. I think I wasn't supposed to go that way. I think I went the wrong way. Have you ever heard of Wrong Way Carrigan? Yeah. He took off from somewhere near New York in an airplane with a flight plan that said he was going to the West Coast, and he flew to Europe, Lindbergh style. I think I got that right. Firelight Baptist Church at Greystone, half mile right on right. Welcome, and then we see Randy's in a similar message. I know where they are on the outskirts of Lexington. I think I've stopped once in my ancient history. Anyway, it's almost 5 o'clock traffic. Steve AB4L, just having fun, saying see you in 73.